Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosas Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trying that Tirelo after she was seen Kosia Majaiva with her boyfriend Mpumelelo Mselego. I don't know what's the event here and Lena, but the events in Jelitite. Babindani bantu ku Facebook babindani actually they were dragging girl she doesn't look her age nkosi yami, she really doesn't look her age. People are saying ukuthi uTirelo kancane kancane mani uyafumuka, kancane mani umtimba yakhula, kancane mani uyakhula emtimbeni. People are saying ukuthi akeli, you really need to do something emtimba wakho because awungeke mpembe, awungeke like umtimba wakho nje ngathi uyihippo. Some people are saying ukuthi ngathi uyihippo, some are saying ukuthi gogo Tirelo. Abantu abaningi njena they were just dragging ugeli ukuthi ayigeli, hayi sekuyamoshakala manje, awugeli awungeke but gogo Tiri like people are just saying a lot of things. Uthi lona she needs to lose weight, she has a nice body, but ngathi ipenguin uTirelo, but hayi gogo Tiri uzoguga early. Guys, people are just dragging. And you know ukuthi uTirelo vele akasiyi-favorite abantu bala Mzansi. Sakuthi nje vele most people abamthandi because they feel ukuthi wamhlobeta kakhulu Vuyukazi ex-girlfriend ayampumelela phindze abe nebantwana naye labayithu. So people are saying ukuthi naye she's not a saint, she abamekele bantu bamgrille because naye wamgrilla kuVuyukazi wamgrilla into longakazi uyibone. And nyalo uVuyukazi bekayetheki ayotithengela a new body, she's more slimmer, semunhle. So abantu abaningi basho ukuthi wena ngathi kufanele uye la kuye khona uVuyukazi nje kufanele akuplug. This time you need to humble yourself uyosho kuVuyukazi ukuthi eVuyukazi awungiplug phela nami ukuthi wena uyephi, because no, ibody yakho is really not looking good. Because when you look uyaqhubeka nje uyadikhulela. Some people are saying ukuthi batothi siyamdraga because of her weight, but cha sekumoshakele manje, sekumoshakele, akusiko lokhu kona, akusiko. Siyamata uTirelo like kaningi ngabe TV, but uyabona nje ukuthi le body lena vele cha seyindlulela, akusiyo nale besimbona ngayo. Sho ukuthi vele kancane nawo lokhu uyatifufumukela. I think that's the reason why uTirelo ngathi kuveta kakhulu like my full pictures akhe. Yes, she does post a full picture yakhe, full picture akhe, but uthanda kakhulu mani face cut yabo avete buso. Most of the time utiveta buso kukancane la tiveta khona umtimba. So uyabona ukuthi abantu batomdraga because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi na TikTok ngeke ngabona such comments where people are saying ukuthi ayigeli emtimba wakho, no girl, you need to do something. So siyabona naye ukuthi hayi bantu ngazuthi le nto bayithayima. I'm sure ukuthi guys naye akayithandi nkosi yami. Like bantu abanemtimba lomkhulu akusikuthi basuke bangadiboni, bayadibona ukuthi banemtimba lomkhulu, but there's nothing they can do about it. Okay, there's something ke bangayijimini nani, but for umdraga nkosi yami, I think that's a bit harsh. Yebo vele nayo uTirelo, she's not a saint, naye unakwakhe, but bantu masebamdraga sona sekubuhlungu. Naye makangawufunza lama comments angiqabanga ukuthi angamphatha kahle. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Say goodbye.